Hi guys. So today I thought we needed a bit of a pickup, and I just thought I'd do a nice reading that would make us feel good. If there are any messages that would help us, it would be great. So the question that we're looking at today is what is something good coming up for you soon? Okay, what is something good? So I would like you to please concentrate on the three piles in front of you. Pile 1, pile 2 and pile 3. Pile 1 is the green aventurine. Pile 2 is the amethyst. And pile 3 is the rutilated quartz. So please pause your videos and pick your pile, and then we'll start. What is something good coming up for you soon? Okay, so let's start. Okay, so pile 1 with the green aventurine. What is something good coming up for you soon? Chaos and conflict. Please don't be scared. Okay, this is like probably the current energy. Four of Wands, like I said. Oh, the Empress. All right. And message in a bottle. Very interesting. So pile 1, what is something good coming up? I'm seeing two number 6s here. In fact, actually, so this is something, you know, that you're going to, this 6 is the number of love. It's also ruled by the planet Venus. So Venus stands for luxury, abundance, prosperity, things like that. So what I'm seeing here is that maybe you guys have been going through some sort of a conflict, all right, some sort of chaos and conflict in your life, right? I'm seeing that certain structures were broken up, and you know, it's possible for you guys that, you know, you were living life a certain way and you were not what you were living. It was not your authentic self. And now, as you can see this, I want you to see this zebra actually was actually camouflaged as a giraffe, and now this you know, the paint is coming off and the zebra is being revealed. So this card to me is telling me that out of chaos and conflict, your true self was revealed, pile 1. Okay, this is something that is for your highest good. All right, this is something that has been engineered by the universe, because whatever you were believing or living as was not exactly serving you very well. All right, and so any kind of change is not easy, and it's possible that you guys have just gone through or are going through some sort of chaos and conflict. You might not see the reason behind it right now, okay, but it will be revealed to you later. Basically, the reason why this chaos is happening in your life or has happened is because you need to start living a more authentic life and a more rewarding life in return, right? Because maybe, you know, something was amiss. I mean, you know your situation best. So I would like you to please think about that. It's not easy to recognize or realize when we are not living in the authentic way. It takes pain, it takes conflict to understand that, you know, something was not serving us. And I sense that, you know, that is what's going on here, you know, or what has been going on for you guys, pile 1. Right. Now, I feel something good that's coming up for you is basically going to start with a message. We are going from 6 to another 6 here. Something is coming in a bottle. A message is there in a bottle. I'm seeing a telephone here inside. It's possible that it might be hidden right now. You don't see it. It's going to be something very unexpected. It might come in way of an actual message, meaning like possibly a phone call, a message, or something like that. Or it could even be, you know, a message from the universe. I mean, something that comes in the form of a download or a realization or an epiphany or something like that. Or it could even be a message via someone, you know, something that hits you at a certain point of time that is going to launch you into this Four of Wands and the Empress. Okay, now I'm going to get into these two cards because this is something really big coming up. All right, it might start off with a message is what I'm hearing. All right, and please apply that as it fits, because out of this chaos I'm seeing some ray of hope, like a path towards this fulfillment that is going to be open to you. It's possible you're not seeing it because I see this horse turned away from here, from this. Okay, so you're not seeing it, but something is going to come. All right, it's going to come and you might not understand it when it comes. For some of you, I feel you might not realize or recognize it when it comes, because you know, it's possible you're so involved in your own life or chaos, whatever chaos is going on. But something is coming and that is going to lead you to the good things that are coming in your life, which are prosperity and stability. All right, these two cards. Okay, this is a major arcana card. I am going to go for this first. I sense that from chaos and conflict, you are going to the Empress. Okay, I am sensing a whole new life being born. As you can see that this person is pregnant. She's going to give birth. It's like everything was broken down here. Things were broken down here. Maybe your old life was broken down. And what is something good that's coming to you is basically a whole brand new life, which is going to be prosperous, which is going to be for your highest good. I also see wings on this person. So it's almost like, you know, you've taken flight. You were on ground. Now you're in the air. You've taken flight. Your new life gives you wings is what I'm hearing. Okay. I also feel for some of you, this might be related to pregnancy. If you're wanting a child, then, you know, this could be you getting pregnant with one. But if not, mostly what I'm seeing is a brand new life. And this is big. This is not a small thing. This is a big thing. All right. I see contentment. I see peace. I see happiness in this person. You know, she's happy finally. From this chaos and conflict, she has gone to birthing something new. All right, so I am seeing this as a very, very big change, pile one. All right, this is something really good coming to you out of the seeming ashes. You know, it's like the phoenix rising from the ashes. This is coming to you. It is going to take some time. I'm seeing the phases of the moon here, so it's going to take some time for it to come. It is also a birthing process, so it's probably going to take some time. But I sense you guys have already launched off into this journey. All right, it's something that you have launched off, and it is something that is going to progress as time goes by. And you know, you're going to become, I don't know, I'm seeing with this card, traditionally also it means prosperity, abundance, comfort, happiness, peace, you know, even domesticity, children, marriage, anything, everything that you wish for, anything you wished for, which you truly desired with your heart, is what is coming up for you guys. I don't know why, but I'm just sensing a brand new life. It just includes everything. I'm seeing like this being like a clean slate. Everything that was not serving you is cracked up and, you know, like removed, and now you're giving birth to something new. Okay, after that I'm seeing I mean, this is something that is, something really big. Okay, this is something that's coming, that's really big. It's going to be in process. All right, it is going to be something that is going to be very stable also. Stability is coming into your life, pile one. All right, this is something that the universe is bringing to you. It is going to happen slowly, but I sense that this is coming, and it has started, because we have asked the question, what's coming soon, right? So it's possible that, this has started for you guys, or it's even possible that you guys might, I don't know, for some of you, I sense it's possible you might be starting off a new life in a new location because I'm seeing the travel here with the world. So this could be something soon. This could be something happening soon. For some of you, it could even be a vacation, I sense. All right. There is something related to travel here as well. Okay. For some of you, it might be marriage, okay, and relocation after that marriage, or starting a brand new life after that, maybe even having children. So something new is going to start very soon for you guys, pile one. That's what I'm sensing. It's not going to be very long drawn out. I did say it's going to be long drawn out, but I felt that it was more like you changing over to a new life, which is going to be long drawn out, but the starting of this is going to be soon, I sense. For some of you, it could be 6 months. For some of you, it could be in 3 months. I'm seeing travel, relocation, a new life, actually, with this card. And it's going to be stable, because I see a lot of, with the Four of Wands here, it is talking about stability. I'm also seeing fun with people, like-minded people, friends, family members, all of those things. I am seeing that. For some of you, Four of Wands to me also talks about a celebration. It's possible that you might have an invite to some sort of a party or a celebration that's going to get you out of this chaotic, energy, to sort of, lighten you up a little bit in your life, right? I am seeing some sort of an event or party or celebration or something on those lines coming up for you guys on a smaller scale. On a bigger scale, obviously, it's stability and the starting of a new life. But on a smaller scale, I am seeing an event, a party, maybe an invite to a party or an event where you're going to really enjoy yourself, let your hair down and, connect with people. Maybe, we've been cornered up or cooped up so long that, this is going to come as something good for sure. I am sure for some of you. All right. So I am seeing that for pile one. Okay. So you get to enjoy yourself very soon. It's possible it's going to happen in 4 to 6 weeks or something like that, because we are talking soon. All right. Now, what else do I see? For some of you, I did say it's going to be a vacation. Travel, yeah, for some of you it could be travel, because a lot of us are stuck because of the shutdown. We're stuck, and now that things are opening up, I sense that maybe in the next 3 weeks or 3 months, I'm sensing travel. All right, so if you are wanting to go to a certain place, maybe visit your hometown, or even just go for a vacation or something like that, in the next maximum in the next 3 months, I do feel you guys are going to travel. All right. I did say for some of you it could be pregnancy, good news of a pregnancy. For some of you it could be the fixing of a marriage. All right, because with the Four of Wands and the Empress, I am seeing a new life, personal life, ascending to a higher level. All right. In terms of your career, I do see some more stability coming in. Maybe because, of whatever has been going on, I think, people in jobs might have had problems. I mean, there have been layoffs. There have been a whole lot of upheaval in the career sector. I do see stability here. Maybe you are going to receive some sort of a, message to sort of for a job offer or something, an interview, so I do see some sort of, career stability coming up as well. And that also for a long period of time, because 3 is the number of prosperity. So I do feel that your pile 1, that your careers are also going to settle down. I'm seeing an all-round settlement here. I don't know, it could be in every area of life, or it could be in one, right? Please take it as it resonates, but I seriously feel that you guys are going to come into this energy of stability and prosperity. No matter which aspect of life it is that you want that in, you are coming into this after all this. I sense this has been going on for you guys for a while, maybe 6 months, you know, and that's pretty much how long, you know, our shutdowns and all that have been. So there's something good coming up. Don't lose hope, pile 1. There is something coming up which is good and stable, and it's going to last you for some time. It might even when you get this opportunity, whatever it is, okay, you might have reason to celebrate as well. I feel you might even throw a party, or, you know, like a celebration of some sort, call your friends and celebrate what's going on, you know, what happened to you, you know, something good that happened to you. I definitely see this, you know, ending in a celebration, whatever it is. You're going to be happy. And it's going to happen via a message, all right? So be prepared. It's going to come for a nice long period of time, I sense, pile 1. So good, I'm happy to hear this. All right, let's go to pile 2. Okay, so pile 2 with the amethyst. Higher power, Three of Wands, the Emperor, and happy. All right, okay, I like these cards. I'm happy that I got Spirit gave me these cards, because, you know, like, I really wanted to pick me up today, and I was like, okay, what's happening? Everybody is in, you know, shutdown mode, nothing's moving, and, you know, they're giving me something very nice, so I'm happy. All right, now the first thing is that I'm seeing 2 number 4s. Okay, so number 2, you guys are also coming into some sort of stability. All right, I am seeing with the higher power card that somehow this pile, you know, Spirit is taking care of you. All right, I mean, this is like one card in this entire deck that gives me very strong Spirit energies, and I'm actually seeing a key here, if you notice, like a keyhole, and I'm also seeing a keyhole here, right? So it's like the key to your happiness is being engineered, or is being worked upon, or, you know, the key to your happiness is with Spirit. Spirit is very much present in this pile, and they are working to get you your you know, happiness, something good that's coming to you. Spirit is actually manifesting it. I'm seeing you here. I'm seeing more energy of the Spirit, your angels, your guides, the universe, whatever you believe in, pile 1, you have very strong Spirit protection, as well as Spirit working behind the scenes to get you this good thing, whatever it is. All right, for some of you it could be stability. All right, because we have been going through quite a rough time, you know, on the planet these days. So I feel it's possible with both these cards. I sense that, you know, you guys might be looking for some sort of stability in your life, some solid structure, some foundation, you know, because here with the 3 of Wands, I sense you guys might be in this energy. You know, there is a feeling here in this card of someone looking ahead in the future, wondering, you know, what is in store, because nothing can be seen, as you can see in the, sorry, okay, on the horizon, I see nothing, right? And this person's almost like prepared to, you know, cross this river. So I feel you guys might be waiting for something to happen, pile 1, sorry, pile 2, because I see you in a state of readiness. It's possible you have some wish that you're waiting to be fulfilled, which you have given to spirit, which spirit is working on, okay? But you're waiting for that wish to come true, I sense. And there's a feeling of probably being a little forlorn because there's nothing on the horizon, as you can see. This is what I feel is your current energy, to be frank, all right? So I sense that, with the two number 4s here, I feel that I don't know why. It's a very strange feeling I'm getting when I see these cards. It's almost like you are looking here and spirit is working behind the scenes, so you don't even know the kind of stuff that is being worked on. Because with these two number 4s, when I actually pair them up, this is something very solid, guys, okay? This is something very, very strong, immovable that is coming to you. I'm seeing this entire, it's like the globe here. So it's almost, it could be something very big, I sense, with this. It could even be something, I mean, both these cards are somehow reminding me of travel for some reason. So it's possible for some of you that, you guys are wanting to travel. Maybe you are not able to do that right now because of the shutdowns and stuff. But I feel that, you will be traveling soon, I sense, for some of you, all right? But for most of you, I sense this is some sort of a solid foundation in your life that is being worked upon right now by the spirit. You can't see it. I don't think you can see it, pile 2. Okay, but it is something that is being worked upon, which is coming to you, and this is something good. Obviously, we're looking at something good, right? Now, for some of you, I also feel that this could be regarding either a father figure, and the Emperor talks to me about either a father figure or a husband or, or a boss even, okay, something related to that. For some of you, it could even be a partner, I sense, because the Emperor is the divine masculine. So for some of you, maybe you guys have, are waiting for your divine masculine to come in. I mean, if you are feminine, if you're masculine, this would be, your counterpart. So for some of you, I sense you might have asked for your divine counterpart, and this is being worked upon. I sense this person might be, if you're looking at it in a romantic sense, I do feel that this person might be, somewhere else in the world and maybe trying to take things very cautiously, very carefully, because I'm seeing him holding like a chess piece here. Okay, so this is not a person who rushes in, all right? Yes, you're waiting for this person, but this person is not a person who rushes in. They are being careful because of whatever situation is there on the planet. And I sense that they are in sync with spirit, or spirit is in sync with them, or guiding them, or something on those lines, because I'm seeing this, sort of light here. There's a sense of, someone guiding, spirit guiding your person, if it is a person we're talking about. And please take it as it resonates. It could be a partner, it could be a soulmate, it could be a divine counterpart, it could be a boss figure, someone you're interested in, basically, someone. I see this as another person, okay, for some of you. I do feel that it is another person that you're thinking about, or wishing for, or waiting for. I'm sensing the energy of waiting. All right, and this person seems to be looking elsewhere because they are planning their moves. All right, and spirit is very, very much focused on guiding this person. All right, so for some of you it's that. For some of you who are not really in the state of asking for a partner or some other person, this could be you yourself. All right, it's possible that you guys are adrift right now, okay? You don't know what direction you have to go. You don't know where your stability lies, because if you see, this person is waiting by the shore. They're not exactly stable. They don't know, right? So this is, for some of you, this is stability coming to you. It possibly might involve travel. I don't know why I'm feeling travel vibes. But it's possible that you guys are coming into some sort of prominent or authoritative position, stable position in your careers or in your lives in general. All right, so there is something to do with stability here with the two number fours. All right, and this is being worked upon by the spirit, so stop worrying about it. Yes, you're expecting it, but it's coming. You don't see it, but it's coming. All right, now with the happy card, I'm really happy to see it, to be frank. Okay, because this is like your happiness that's coming to you. For some of you, it could even be a party or a celebration, something to celebrate about. If I pair up, you know, these two cards, it's possible that, you know, you coming into some sort of a promotion, or you guys coming into some sort of a level up in your career. It could be something to celebrate. I sense, you know, this is something to celebrate. And for you, I mean, it could be anything, guys. Please take it as it resonates, because, you know, like, if I pair these two cards up, it's almost like you're going from Three of Wands to Emperor. It's a number 3 and then a number 4, which is like a progression, right? So there is something to celebrate about that's coming up. Okay, I sense for a lot of you it is some sort of a level up at work or in general in life. Okay, for some of you it is future happiness with a partner or a husband. All right, or a husband or wife or whatever, you know, your counterpart. I do sense a lot of some sort of a celebration. Maybe it could be a marriage or something. It could be an engagement or something on those lines. All right, this is a person who's planning this happiness for you, I guess. This is a very prominent energy in this deck somehow. The reading is about you, but I'm seeing this person's energy, and I don't know why I feel this is someone else. All right, but please take it as it resonates. It could be you as well. All right, but I do sense this person's energy very prominent in this spread. This person is hand in glove with spirit and working towards your happiness. It might seem like they're not, you know, looking your way at this time and you are looking their way, but you know, the reason why this person is not really you know, in touch with you or talking to you or whatever it is because they are looking at this. They are looking at your happy, you know. They want to bring you this happiness. They want to see you going from this forlorn energy to this happy spirit energy, right? I sense this person might even be planning a party for you or some sort of a get together, some sort of a happy life, I sense. All right, and you know, something that's stable for quite a while, because the Emperor is a major arcana card, right? And I sense that this person is someone who's going to be very stable in your life. This is a fixture, I sense. Somebody who is going to be stable in your life for a long time to come, who is here to provide you the kind of happiness you need, the kind of emotional happiness and joy. I'm seeing joy here. And this is also a progression. From the 4 we go to an 8, right? So it's like a double of 4. So this person is actually working towards your happiness. So if you feel that, you know, they are not really interested, don't worry. This person's working towards it. For me, this chess piece is also looking like a key somehow. So it's almost like, you know, we see 2 keyholes here, right? So this chess piece fits here and here. So like I said, there is something about this person being, you know, hand in glove with spirit, being guided by spirit and working towards your happiness. All right. Now I feel also pile number 2 that it's possible that you guys this is on a slightly smaller scale, because on a bigger scale I'm sensing someone you know, bringing stability and a future to you. I'm hearing future. All right, someone who wants to bring you a happy future, this person. All right, that is on a bigger scale. All right, on a smaller scale I sense for some of you, I sense your psychic intuitive abilities or your connection with spirit is increasing. All right, it is like your powers are strengthening, your connection to your guides, your angels, etc. is going to strengthen, you know, in the future. This is something good coming up. um, for some of you, I also see travel. Once again, with the Three of Wands, I sense you're just waiting for your ships to come in, and they are going to very soon. All right. Now I also feel with a happy card, I also feel there might be some sort of a celebration. It could even be a birthday party or some occasion or something like that, you know, on a smaller scale. I sense you'll get to spend some quality fun time, you know, with others, maybe, just you know, you coming into your happiness, no matter what that is. It could be via a party, it could be with you just, you know, feeling good because of your contact with this higher power, okay? Or it could just be you feeling happy about this person because somewhere you sense that, you know, this person's there for you. All right. I'm seeing not many people here, so I do feel that this is you coming into your happiness because you probably sense something coming in the wind. Yeah, I don't know why did I get that? I sense that you people are sensing something, pile number 2, with the higher power here and the Three of Wands and happy. I sense it's almost like you looking, you know, into the unknown and sensing this happiness, which is actually probably coming from this person, or it could be in general some sort of stability and happiness coming in your life. I feel you sense it, pile 2. There is a lot of connectedness to spirit here in this pile, I sense, okay? So I'm having a very strong feeling that you guys are sensing something. You're almost like out there waiting with your baggage, right? You're waiting for it and it's coming. All right, whatever it is, don't worry. It might not look like nothing, like anything is really happening, but there is a lot going on in the background. All right, and you are going to end up in this position of being very happy with whatever it is. I don't know why, for a lot of you, I'm sensing this is about a person. You know, it could be a father figure, or it could be, you know, a romantic partner or whatever. Okay, for a lot of you, I sense it's that. But for some of you, I also sense it could be related to career or something on those lines. All right. So, yeah, pretty much. And this card is somehow the central card. I don't know why. I feel this situation that you are in, pile number 2, this is being watched over. It's being protected by the spirit. All right, you are being guided, your person is being guided, something is working in the background here. All right, so don't fret, and get ready to be happy, okay? Because there's something very happy coming up for you, and you need to get prepared. You are prepared, I sense, yes. Okay, but maybe you're just wondering, nothing's moving. All right, but it is going to move. This person has the key to your lock. All right, so this person is going to do something. I don't know, I'm getting somebody else's energy here, so please apply it as it fits. But this is what I see coming. All right, so pile 2, that was very interesting. Okay, please let me know in the comments. I love to, you know, like read your comments, because, you know, it just tells me where the reading is, you know, how much of it caught. All right, so pile 3 with the rutilated quartz, unfinished symphony, 6 of Wands, Knight of Swords, Observer. Okay. So pile number 3, what is something good coming up for you guys? I am sensing there is victory coming up in whatever situation it is. I do feel, for a lot of you, it could be, I'm getting a lot of scenarios here, so I want you to please apply it as it fits, because I sense this could be, whatever I'm going to tell you is going to be applicable to love, career, health, finances, recognition, reward, success. Everything and anything. All right. So now I feel that pile 3, guys, okay, there has been a sense of being the outsider, recently or most of your life, or, take it as it resonates. In a certain situation, it's possible that you have wanted some sort of, resolution, but it didn't happen. It was unfinished, that resolution. And you were always you were probably feeling like an observer, like you can't do anything in this situation, because when I pair up the observer card and the unfinished symphony, I'm getting that, you couldn't do much about whatever this unfinished business was. Okay, it's possible for you guys, there might have been some unfinished business. It could be in any area. Please take it as it resonates. It could be a relationship, it could be a job, it could be a project, finances, etc., whatever. Okay, it's possible you couldn't do anything. You were just sitting there wondering when it's going to happen. You wanted to do something, but somehow it was just not happening. Okay, and I feel that, now you are going to be your observer days are now coming to an end. All right, you are going to come into this energy of the Knight of Swords, fast action. All right, I'm literally seeing that there's going to be an opportunity that is going to be offered to you to grab this success and come into victory. Whatever this victory is, it could be anything. For a lot of you, I'm sensing it might be related to some sort of an achievement that you have always had, some sort of a goal, right? But you were never given a chance. But you were always hoping, wishing, wondering for a chance. But that chance is being given now, pile 3, I am sensing. Because there was something incomplete about this. It's possible you might have turned away from this thing and said that maybe it's not meant for you or something like that. But now suddenly with the Knight of Swords, because Knight of Swords is the card of speedy action, right? Suddenly I'm seeing this opportunity come to you, which you have to grab. All right, so be alert. Be alert for this, because this is like you chasing after the bike and the bike is, moving by itself. So this is coming up and I sense it's coming soon, very soon actually, pile 3. All right, so please be aware, you might have to catch up. All right, you don't want to miss the boat is what I'm hearing. Okay, because this is something that the universe is bringing to you. Probably you guys have wished upon a star or have waited for it for so long, and now it's being given to you. All right, and grabbing this opportunity is going to lead to your success finally, okay, in whatever area of life it is. I am sensing what is coming to you guys, pile 3, is success, victory, recognition and reward. All right, in whichever area of life that is in, I am seeing the spotlight on you. All right, you no longer have to be behind the scenes, the observer, someone who gets overlooked. You are this time going to be in the spotlight, pile 3, and that is something I think you wanted. Or even if you didn't want it, I'm sure you're going to enjoy this, because I am seeing applause. I'm seeing, I don't know, just a sense of winning, victory. there might have been a sense here of, you know, like I said before, you might have given up on something, you know, with this unfinished symphony. I feel you might have given up on something thinking that it might not happen ever. Okay, but you always felt that this was something you didn't try, or was not destined for you, or something like that. But it's coming now, guys. I mean that, and it's coming fast, I feel, you know, because Knight of Swords is the, you know, card of speedy action. So I sense there is some big victory coming to you guys in whatever area of life it is, and it is coming soon. You no longer have to be in the observer energy. You are going to be somebody who is going to be in the spotlight. All right. Now I feel for some of you it could also be I feel, I don't know, this is a scenario I'm getting, but please take it, might be very specific, but please take it as it resonates. For some of you, I feel maybe in a romantic connection, it's possible you guys have felt that, you know, you couldn't really, that some connection of the past was not finished, all right, and that you were in observer mode for this or something like that, or that, you know, you probably felt that, you know, this was not meant for you or something. But what I'm seeing for some of you, and this is a message coming through specifically, that the person you thought, you know, it was over with is coming back, all right, because this person has been observing you. And it's possible that you guys are already in the Six of Wands energy. You're doing really well in life. You've moved on and you're doing well. You look good, you feel good, etc. All right. And now this person realizes, you know, that they missed out, you know, or I mean, I don't know, maybe it's not this person's fault also. It's possible for whatever reasons things didn't work out. And now this person, you have caught this person's eye. They have been observing you, maybe on social media or something like that, and they are coming, all right? So for some of you, I feel, you know, this is something very specific. So please apply it as it fits. I do feel it's possible this person might contact you via messages. This person has been watching you. They might contact you via messages. Some of you, I think they might even come and meet you or something. Okay, so it's absolutely up to you whether you want to, you know, connect with this person or not. If you want to, if you've been waiting for this person and observing them as well, okay, then this is the ending to your you know, unfinished symphony, meaning that the unfinished part is over. You are going to you know, bring this connection into victory, all right, you and they. So for some of you, I feel it's a connection that is coming alive again, you know, something that was not explored in the past is coming alive again. All right, so I am seeing two distinctly different scenarios, one for maybe romance and the other for you know, something related to some sort of an achievement or something on those lines, something that's going to make you feel on top of the world. All right, I really feel that it's coming to you guys. All right, it's something, I don't know, I just feel that, you know, it's going to introduce you to a very different side of yourself, and it's going to show the world also a very different side of you. I sense it's something big though. Okay, this is something big, all right, because I sense that after this victory you guys are going to be quite the Knight of Swords type of energy. I feel, you know, nothing is going to stop you now. Your days of being an observer is over. You are going to be full of action now. You're going to be in the zone of grabbing your blessings as and when they come, all right, because your confidence, your self-esteem, your whole, you know, self-love would be rising up, like in, you know, to higher levels. I sense this is you coming into your own pile, number 3. Okay, for some of you it could even just be you guys just realizing you know, your own worth. all right? Although I do see this as the crowd cheering, so I do feel that there's a sense of recognition and from other people, but I feel that this is also about self-love. This is you finally coming out of this observer energy, this quiet little, person sticking to themselves. You're coming out of this almost hermit energy to the Six of Wands. Success is coming to you, recognition, all right? Now on a smaller scale, I sense that for some of you it might be some sort of a award, recognition, maybe at work or with other people, maybe even in business, or maybe a small sort of recognition coming up. I am seeing recognition, and recognition is never small, to be frank. But maybe this is on a slightly lower scale. Okay, for some of you I also feel it's possible that someone who, I did say that, somebody who you didn't expect is actually watching you, observing you, something on those lines, all right? And the third thing that I'm seeing is some sort of a opportunity coming in very fast, which you have to grab. It could even be communication, all right? But mostly I think for pile 3, am I seeing anything else? I think for some of you, I also feel that, you might be coming into the energy of, just being the observer. After all this, for some of you, you might be in a very hectic and frantic activity before, and now you're coming into this relaxed zone of being the observer, all right? To just relax and, observe the world going around, but that's for just some of you. But mainly what the cards are telling me in terms of what is the good thing coming for you guys is actually, I can sum it up in one word. It's victory, success, recognition, and reward. And it's coming to you fast, guys, okay? No matter what form it comes in what aspect of life it comes in, this is coming for you guys. This is the next good thing that is going to happen to you soon, all right? So with that, I'm going to close this reading. I hope you got some positivity out of it. I definitely feel a lot more uplifted after this. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.